next point about all the things that I have to do to like the bike soon, because I'm at 5,300 miles. Do not turn, please. Thank you. Yeah, I'm at 5,300 miles with the bike, and in the manual it states at like around 7,500 miles. What the? That thing's slippery as hell right there. But around like 7,500 miles, it'll be good to change the spark plugs. Which I'm like, really? I thought spark plugs could last a little bit longer than that, but I guess since this bike, I tend not to follow what the manual says, just to be on like the safe side, because I'm gonna put like better spark plugs in here. Like, I'm going to try to find better ones that are better than like the old EM, so I can get like a longer life out of them. But while I'm doing that, I might as well change my air filter. I'm gonna do a brake flush, a coolant flush. I'm gonna do all of that while I have the bike pretty much bare bones, and get like my maintenance that I wanted to get done. And I also have to get me a brand new front tire and rear tire. So there's that, because I want, like, I'm a firm believer that you got to take care of your bike for it to take care of you. Because I don't want my bike to be clapped out and then I get into a wreck because I wasn't doing my proper maintenance. But I'll probably do that towards the end of the season, because I'm probably going to hit that mileage around that time. So I'm going to be chilling until then. So that'll be like my end of the season ride. And then probably by the time then, I'm gonna potentially have the new bike. I'm not sure. It's just these damn bike prices are insane, man. So I'm trying to wait till like the end of the season to at least hopefully these prices will go down a little bit. Because I want to get another bike so I won't put so many miles on this bike, so I can have like a, number one, something else to ride, and number two, I don't want my main girl to get like worn out. Even though I know this bike can easily hit 20K. Most bikes can, as long as you take care of them, but some bikes, they cost a little bit more than others, as we all know. But maintenance. That's why riding a bike is so damn expensive. Like the upfront costs may not be that bad, but as time goes on, these bikes, they need attention, especially as they age. Because you don't want to be riding your bike and like something goes wrong, and like you crash because of that. Who wants that? Nobody. But I don't know where I'm going right now. I'm just riding for the most part. I'm just riding like and exploring and seeing new roads that I haven't seen before. That's usually what I do, because like the highway is like pretty packed. There's traffic everywhere, so I want to stay away from that. But I am driving in a dangerous place, because people on like these roads, they are a different breed. But like where I came from, folks couldn't drive too, so I'm pretty much used to it. I just gotta watch out for these red light runners, just to make sure that they don't smack my ass. You can smack all the car you want, but don't smack me, please, because you're gonna catch. You will catch his hands. Sometimes people be driving so weird, but what do you expect? Ooh, I smell some Burger King. It smells like trash. I haven't been to this side before. Wow. Oh, look at the doggy. The beautiful doggy. Do more things. That truck is slammed. Damn. I wonder if it's fast. I don't know. But hopefully everyone's out there who's watching, y'all are having a good season. Because I know I am. Minus that little rainstorm I had to drive through. But my thing is, that's just part of the experience. Sometimes you're like gonna get wet. You just can't help that. Especially if you live in the south, or probably like the northwest, because I know it rains out there a lot. Because I've been out there, and like every time I've been out there, it rains. Which is kind kind of crazy. Cause it always made me wonder, like, hey, like, do y'all get any like sunshine? And like, did you have places like California that's beautiful all the time, but then again, you have to deal with the stupid stuff that they have going on, plain dumb retarded. That's one place that I wouldn't have mind moving to, but it was just, I just can't afford to live in California, man. It's too goddamn expensive. Like, it's crazy expensive, and I don't know how folks who live there, how y'all do it. Yeah, I don't know how anyone does it, how anyone like lives out there comfortably. What this Mustang doing? Oh, now you just look stupid, dog. Oh, it's a female. No, no, like, I'm not trying to see that females can drive, but like most of y'all can't.
Okay.
What the van doing? What the van doing? That boy going crazy. Y'all better watch the road. Oh, don't hit me, please, baby. Whew. My heart dropped in my ass for a quick second. Ooh, boy. That's mighty damn close. Where am I? I don't even know. Let me just get out the way, though. I swear there's always construction going on. Always. Shit be crazy. Getting on the 635. Why did I get on the highway? Did I just say that there was traffic on this damn highway? Okay, it's not bad. It could be worse. I haven't been on this part of the 635, but they're doing construction all over here. That's why I tend not to come on this side. But we won't be on here, I don't think, for long until I get to where I want to get to. Oh, see, look, that will make you bust your ass. Look at that sun, so beautiful. Yeah, that's why I can't wait till they fix all this and like it looks all good and clean. Been looking like booty the past few well, since I've been here, but I don't know how long they've been working on this. But I'm just excited to see what the future entails, because like one thing for sure, I'm not afraid to put miles on this bike at all. Like, look what I'm doing now. I'm riding this thing. Like, this is why I spent that money for this bike, is to ride it. Get out the way from these cars. I don't want to be too close to these cars. Like, sometimes when they have the little like turny things, that's when folks get a little weird. So I want to be out the way. Be out the way and in the clear. Yeah, but it is a beautiful day. I'm telling you, like, when it's like days like this in Texas, beautiful. And like it's not too hot. Like, of course, I always say this is the best time to ride. Yeah, because sometimes when I'm in my car on this part, it be kind of confusing just a little bit. I'd be like, damn, these lines be going crazy. All this damn dust. Ugh. Yeah, I'm definitely going to change my air filter. Like, ride through all this dust and dirt and like it's all sucked up, especially. And I don't want to even imagine how many bugs I have in on this damn thing. It's probably insane. But it's going to be good to see like what the bike looks like, and I want to do it myself so that I can learn too. Because I've worked on cars before, so it shouldn't really be that hard. It's like very tedious from like what I've seen on these YouTube videos. Because it's always good to like know how to work on your own bike. And folks always say that the shops out there would never treat your bike like you would treat your bike, because it's yours. Like, they don't care. It's like not theirs. That's why I want to do most of the work myself, so that I can learn and just get better. Woo! What was that truck doing? God damn! trying to kill me. Fuck. But we all good though. That's what I mean, man. That trucker, what the hell was he thinking? Like, you can't just like get over like 3 lanes. But it's all good because he didn't see me, but I saw him. So we're all good, baby. Sometimes you have to lock in and go. You can't really hesitate. Like, now anyone else probably would have like crashed. But you gotta be on your P's and Q's. Woo! Baby got backfire. Those burble pops. Yeah, but I think as far as maintenance that I was talking about, the only thing that I probably won't do is my valve clearance check. Now my thing is, if I do get a shop to do that, dude, I do not want them to F up my damn bike just because they want to rush and like do something and do like, because people just don't take care of your shit like you do, man. And I'm pretty sure I could do it, but that's something that I just don't want to like F up, because if I mess it up, my bike is toast. So yeah, that's pretty much like all I have, like this bike and like the update and all that crap and different stuff that I'm gonna do, or different stuff that I plan on I'm doing. Because I gotta keep my baby tip-top shape. But I'll catch y'all the next one. Peace. Bye.